Hi everyone, welcome back to the SQL Query Coach. In the last video, we installed mysql and Workbench. Today, we will start doing the real magic, creating our first database and our very first table using SQL. In mysql Workbench, open your SQL editor window. To create a new database, we use the create database statement. I will call mine SQLDB, short for SQL database. Now, click the lightning icon to execute the command. You should see a message saying query OK. That means your database has been created successfully. Next, we'll tell mysql that we want to use this database for our next commands. Use SQLDB. Inside our SQL database, let's create a table called students. This table will store each student details, like their names, age, class, and contact information. Create students, student ID, auto increment the primary key, first name, last name, phone number. So let's break it down. Student ID is a unique number for every student. It increases automatically. First name and last name are text columns where we store names. Age is just a number. Class tells us what class or grade the student is in. And phone number stores the contact number. But never use age, never write it as age whenever you're creating your tables. This is just for an example, just for learning purposes, because age will require you to constantly update it every day, every time. But birth date, if you use birth date, it is static and changing value that can be used to calculate a person's current age at any time. Storing the birth date is more efficient and ensures data accuracy, as age can be calculated on the fly whenever needed through a query or a function. After writing this code, click the lightning icon again to run it. You'll see a success message. Query OK, zero rows affected. To check if this table created correctly, type short tables. You should see students listed. You can also use describe students. This shows all columns, data types, and details were defined. Great job! You just created your first database and table using SQL. In the next video, we will start adding real data into this table, names, classes, and more. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. I'm the SQL Query Coach, and I will see you in the next one.